celebrating National Bike to School Day with Sunny Isles Beach K-8. And we're going on a community ride today. We have Mack Cycle involved, we have Sunny Isles Beach Police Department, we have South Florida Commuter Services out here today, Bike 305, a lot of different community partners, a lot of kids on bikes, but also scooters today, so that's also very exciting, kind of taking a ride together through Sunny Isles.
First one for the day. And good thing she came early because they're not working at all. So we're gonna make sure they're going before she rides today.
This is the way to really encourage children to ride a bike and get their parents involved in it. What we really need to do is start advocating for great, safe cycling venues so these kids can ride to school every day. And the only way to do that is to really build a network of protected bike lanes, so these kids can ride safely to school every single day.
We're trying to protect our children.
Safety of the kids, that's what's a priority.
Are you guys excited to celebrate Bike to School Day? Yeah! Awesome!
It's the first time we've done this at our school. Is this something that we can do every year?
We had a huge turnout. We really appreciate all the help we got from Bike 305 and the University of Miami as well.